Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crownedksutherland. You can call me K, whatever works for you. Like, I'm good with that. So we're jumping straight into today's tutorial. Usually I do my makeup like after I install a wig. This will be a wig review and a wig install video, but this wig today is a fake scalp wig. It boasts like a lot of things that you don't need glue or whatever, so like I'm pretty excited for that. So I opted to do my makeup like before coming on here, so I'm praying it doesn't fail me. This wig was sent to me by Lush Wigs, and this is the box that it comes in. This little purple box. Let me grab my notes real quick. This wig is their diamond fake scalp wig. It's 100% melt skin, that's what they say. You definitely don't need to use glue. It has a pre-plucked hairline and the knots are already bleached. I love that. And they have a new way of adjusting your wig, and I'm gonna show y'all. Instead of strips, they have this new thing on the inside that you use to adjust your wig. So let's just like get straight into it. Enough with like the chit chat. So this is what comes inside the box, the wig, and you get some bobby pins. You get a edge comb. You get a pack with wig caps, and you get some false lashes, which I might put on because right now I didn't put any lashes on, so I might put those on. So this is the wig, like. Ow. This is the wig like straight out of the package. I believe this is a 20-inch wig. All that information will be left in the description box. Like, everything will be down below. So whatever I don't like say, it'll be in the description bar. But this is the wig straight outside of the package. It is a 360 wig, as you can see. It's already pre-bleached. Like, these knots look beautiful. It's already pre-bleached. It's already pre-bleached and ready to go. On the inside of the cap, guys, it's a fake scalp wig. So it already has like the scalp area sorted out. So I'm just gonna flip the wig like inside out so y'all can see what's on the inside. So on the inside, this is the fake scalp area, and that looks pretty skin-like to me. Well, in terms of like the tone, it looks pretty like, you know, like skin tone-like. It does come with straps already on the inside, like adjustable like bra strap kind of thing. So you can like make it tighter or looser, whatever you desire. It's already on the inside. This wig has 4 combs on the inside, 1 at the top, 2 on the sides, and like 1 on the back. So it's already, like, you know, like ready to go. And guys, this is a new thing that they have. Instead of like the usual like adjustable straps, they have this. I don't know what it's called, but this is how you tighten the wig. Like, yeah, you pull here and you use this to tighten the wig. So you'll pull it down and use this little thing to like pull it together, and that's how you tighten your wig, which I think is just like pretty amazing. I like this. It's pretty amazing. Like, this is how you tighten your wig. And with that being said, yeah, it's on both sides. So that's basically what the wig is looking like. So I'm just gonna get into this wig like right now, and I think this is a 13 by 6. Yeah, it goes pretty far back. The parting space is phenomenal. I'm gonna leave that information. No, or is it a 13 by 30? Or is it a 13 by 4? I'll leave all that information in the description bar because I'm not sure, but I think it's a 13 by 4. But or is it a 13 by 6? It looks pretty long. The parting space is pretty long. So let's just try it on and let's get into this real quick. Okay guys, so I'm already in love with this hair. Like, I'm super excited. I cut the lace from the back. That's all I did. I'm gonna adjust like the bra strap in the back. Not the bra strap. I'm gonna just adjust the elastic band that's in the back, and I'm gonna pull the side some more because the way how they said that it could be a glueless unit, they were not like there was a line. They were not lying because this looks super duper good already, and I didn't even like tighten the straps much. So I'm gonna do that. Like I'm really excited about this hair. Like it looks so good. Like who gonna check me? Like who gonna clock me? This hair looks so good, and the fact that I'm gonna wear it without like gluing it down is even more amazing. Look at the parting though. Oh my god, look at the parting. Whew. Bomb, 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 bomb. Look at the hairline. Nah. I wanna try to put this hair in a ponytail because it is a 360 wig. So we're gonna attempt to like put it in a ponytail, and I'm not gluing the back down or anything. This hair is glueless, so we're really trying to work with the glueless aspect of it. I have my hot comb here. Like my hot comb has been failing me. I got this one at like my local beauty supply store. If y'all know like a good hot comb I can buy, like let me know down below because this one is just like trash. Like yeah, but for right now we're gonna use it. Hopefully it does something. I tied my edges down because I was trying to like secure them. So now I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna go with a hot comb. We're gonna try and get this unit in a ponytail. I'm trying for a messy ponytail. Like the front is really what's important to me. Like I'm not trying to get the back like really sleek. It's not a kind of party because I would definitely like need somebody to help me with the back. So like don't come for me, okay? We're gonna get a high ponytail. It's gonna be a messy one, but it's gonna be cute. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I wanted to do like a messy high ponytail, but that wasn't working out too much for me, so I did this half up half down style, and I think it looks really amazing. I love the fake scalp on this wig. Like, do y'all see that? That's not a wig, that's like my scalp. Like, do y'all see that? So I decided with this half up half down style, like the parting space and like the scalp area is just like giving me life, giving me mad life. And I have two little tendrils or whatever you call those at the front, so it looks hella like a real, because I'm feeling this unit. It straightened like pretty well, guys. My hair does not shed. Like, I did not get any shedding, and that's crazy. Usually you get like shedding, but I didn't get any shedding at all. I would definitely like give this unit like a 9.5, maybe 9.7 out of 10. Like, it's really bomb. It's been like one of the best units I've like done a review on in a while. The hair is really good, and the construction is just like A1. All the details on this wig will be listed like down in the description bar, so if y'all are like interested in this unit, then you can definitely like check the description box for the details and the links. Let me know down below if y'all are feeling this wig. Let me know like your thoughts on the styles. I definitely want to do like more wig installs, but like style them different, you know, instead of like my usual like side part set apart. I want to like get into doing different styles for y'all, and I really did the thing on this one. Like, I really did it. Okay, so y'all need to like leave a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another video of mine, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.